Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about meal kit delivery services and which one is the best in terms of price, taste, and eco-friendliness. So if you're looking for the perfect meal kit service that fits you and your lifestyle, this video is for you. And without further ado, let's get right into it. Also, if you'd like to check out any of these services, you'll find discount links in the description down below to save you some extra money. For starters, meal kit delivery services are a convenient and time-saving option for people who want to prepare healthy and delicious meals at home without the hassle of grocery shopping and meal planning. These services deliver pre-portioned ingredients and easy-to-follow recipes directly to your doorstep, eliminating the need to figure out what to cook or go to the store to buy any ingredients. Now, meal kit delivery services can offer a range of options from vegetarian to gluten-free and provides an opportunity to try new recipes and cuisines. They can be a great choice for anyone who wants to eat well but has limited time or cooking skills. Now, there are a lot of factors that make a great meal kit delivery service, but the three most important ones are what value that you get for your money, what meals they offer and how they taste, and whether or not they're eco-friendly. And so I've been trying out various meal kit services, and after going through different options, I've decided on HelloFresh, Blue Apron, and Factor 75 as the three best services overall. They each come with a huge variety of meals and recipes, as well as various prices and distinguishable features that help them stand out as their own unique meal kit service. Additionally, they all offer a range of meal plans and dietary options to cater to many lifestyles. And that's why I chose these as my top 3 choices, but it all depends on your needs and preferences, as one of them may be the best option for you, and I'll be explaining why. First, we start with HelloFresh, which has been one of my favorite meal kit services so far. They cover a wide range of mouth-watering international cuisines and have a huge catalog of over 2,500 recipes that rotate in their weekly menus. Now with HelloFresh, you can order either 2 or 4 servings per meal and up to 6 meals per week. So unlike the average 16 meals per week that is common between most meal services, with HelloFresh, you can order up to 24 servings per week. Now, like most other meal kit services, HelloFresh sends their ingredients with a step-by-step recipe cards, but they're made to be incredibly easy to follow and cater to all cooking skill levels. So whether you are a novice cook just starting out or an experienced chef looking to cook new and exciting delicious food, they've got you covered. And to top it all off, HelloFresh accommodates more dietary preferences than any other service with their 6 different meal plans, and yes, that includes vegan-friendly plant-based diets. HelloFresh also has the user experience as their top priority, as they highlight any potential allergens in all of the recipes, and they take weekly feedback to improve their meals and stay on top of the food trends. So if you're looking for an all-rounded meal kit service, HelloFresh is your easy go-to. And then we have Blue Apron, and this is going to be the best in terms of flavor, as the food essentially tastes like excellent restaurant quality food, offering you the opportunity to learn new cooking techniques and expand your culinary skills through their nuanced meal kits. Now, granted, some of the recipes will take a little longer to prepare, but the meal kits are designed to introduce you to not just traditional recipes, but also exotic recipes and intricate flavor combinations. And just like HelloFresh, each recipe comes with a step-by-step instructions and photos that guide you through the cooking process. Blue Apron also has a variety of dietary options available, though most of the recipes are not vegan friendly and they do not accommodate individuals. But Blue Apron offers premium ingredients, and following their recipes is nearly the equivalent of taking gourmet cooking training at the comfort of your own home. And so if you're looking to expand your culinary skills, try out new exotic recipes that teach you a thing or two about flavor balancing, and also have premium gourmet food that will surpass most restaurants, then Blue Apron is the right choice for you. And then lastly, Factor 75 is the best option if you want to save as much time as possible without sacrificing quality. Factor 75 offers a variety of healthy, pre-cooked meals that accommodate a variety of dietary preferences, including plant-based diets, which is a great option if you don't have time to cook. Also, the meals are well balanced, tasty, and satisfying with a wide variety to choose from. Now, even though it's a little pricier than other services, you're essentially paying for the convenience of having premium meals cooked for you and all you need to do is heat them up in your microwave or oven. Plus, the company sources high quality ingredients, uses sustainable cooking practices, and unlike most heat and eat microwave food, Factor's recipes are exceptionally tasty, which immediately sets them apart from other pre-cooked meal delivery services on the market. So ultimately, if you prefer to have your food prepared for you, or you're just too busy to cook your own meals and just want something fast and easy to prepare without sacrificing the quality of the food and your health, then Factor 75 is the most suitable choice. And so to sum things up, these meal kit services are the best the market has to offer. HelloFresh is your best choice if you're looking for a huge variety of delicious options and recipes that are super easy to follow regardless of your cooking skills, which also accommodates allergies and many dietary preferences that are guaranteed to satisfy your friends and family. Now, Blue Apron is the #1 choice if you're looking for a gourmet level recipe that may keep you just a little longer in the kitchen, but in return, not only are you making really good restaurant level food, but you're also significantly improving your culinary skills along the way. And finally, Factor 75 is certainly the best convenient choice if you simply don't have the time to cook, but still want to eat high quality pre-cooked meals that are also nutrient dense, healthy, and tailored to a wide range of dietary needs. And of course, if you'd like to give any of these services a try, you'll find a discount link available in the description down below. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it or found it informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. And if you tried any of these services before, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'd love to see you guys in our future videos.